But we've heard very little about the nominee who is here and whose confirmation we're considering. And I think part of the reason for that is that on any measure, Judge Barrett's credentials are impeccable. This is a woman who graduated #1 in her class at Notre Dame Law School. I'd venture to say that there is likely not a single member of this committee who graduated #1 in their class in law school. Perhaps my colleague Mike Lee can disagree with that statement, but it is a very impressive accomplishment. Judge Barrett went on to be a clerk to the great Justice Antonin Scalia, one of the greatest justices ever to serve on the Supreme Court. We heard celebration from Senator Leahy about the fact that he was confirmed 98-0. From there, she became a law professor for 2 decades at Notre Dame Law School, teaching the law to her students where she was beloved, where she was respected, where she was a serious, careful scholar. And now she is one of the most respected federal court of appeals judges in the country. None of the discussions from our Democratic colleagues addressed any of that, because those credentials are on their face impeccable. Indeed, the American Bar Association, which typically leans hard left and has a long pattern of favoring Democratic nominees over nominees appointed by Republican presidents, had no choice but conclude that she was well qualified, as a majority of the reviewing board did. Judge Barrett's qualifications are remarkable, and I believe she will serve as an excellent Supreme Court justice.